Raf R.7839 electric kettle featuring elegant borosilicate glass and BPA-free interior. Comes with a convenient one-click oven and a safe anti-scalding handle. This is RL large capacity kettle body. Also boasts a cellularly swivel base and an energy-efficient LED lamp. Equipped with a concealed heating element for rapid boiling. It also has an automatic switch off for added safety. Designed to be easy to make quick and convenient, this electric kettle is perfect for an enjoyment good life.